The Middle East is seeing a sharp escalation as Iran, Israel, and the United States face off in a growing conflict. You are listening Voice of Curve English with Omar Iftikhar. According to Reuters, Iran launched ballistic missiles and drones across the Gulf, striking energy infrastructure in multiple countries. The attack on Ras Laffan industrial city reportedly cut 17% of Qatar's LNG output, which analysts say could impact global gas prices for years. The UAE forces confirmed intercepting 7 missiles and 15 drones, showing the scale of Iran's offensive and the region's active defense. Meanwhile, The Guardian reports that Israel continues a strike inside Iran while Hezbollah has fired rockets from southern Lebanon, opening the risk of multi-front war. US officials speaking to CNN emphasized that American forces are targeting Iran missile and naval capabilities, but there is no clear timeline for the conflict resolution. Iran officials, as quoted by Al Jazeera, warned that the strike so far only a fraction of their military power, signaling potential for heavy retaliation if their infrastructure is hit again. Analyst says Iran is now demonstrating both strategic and economic leverage, striking critical energy hubs while Israel and US maintain military superiority. Regional air defenses are mitigating some attacks, but the risk of escalation across multiple fronts remain high. The situation is now a high-stakes confrontation with global consequences from energy markets to regional stability.